The first thing you see is a TPU cover for the Redmi 5, which should make the phone less slippery. Then there's the device itself. So let's quickly boot it up. Here we can see the familiar Mi logo, and now we'll keep this aside for now and see what else we get. There's some basic documentation. There's a charger, a micro USB cable, under which there's a SIM eject tool, and it looks like that's pretty much it. Now let's get back to the device. Key features of the new Redmi 5 include a 5.7-inch 18:9 display, a fairly large 3300 mAh battery, and an LED flash for the front-facing camera. As we mentioned earlier, the Redmi 5 packs a 5.7-inch display, but thanks to its 18:9 screen, it weighs 157 grams and there's a 2.5D curved glass on the top. The phone also measures 151.8mm tall, 72.8mm wide, and 7.7mm thick. The front of the smartphone has no physical buttons. The home, overview, and back keys are all on screen. Above the display is a 5-megapixel front camera with its own LED selfie light. There's an enhancement feature called Smart Beauty 3.0 that claims to make selfies look better. The metal back of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 has a 12-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture, face detection autofocus, HDR, and an LED flash. Now the phone also has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor placed right below the camera that's easy to reach, and it worked accurately during our initial testing. On the right of the Redmi 5 are the volume and power buttons. On the left is a hybrid dual SIM tray that can house either 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card. The bottom of the device has a micro USB port and loudspeaker. Now finally, on the top is a 3.5mm headphone socket, an infrared emitter, and a microphone. The 18:9 display has a HD Plus resolution, and at the core of the Redmi 5 is an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC based on the 14nm FinFET process. All this is powered by a 3300 mAh battery. The Redmi 5 runs MIUI 9 on top of Android 7.1.2 Nougat.
Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M02. This phone is available in 4 color variants: red, black, blue, and grey. The Samsung Galaxy M02 is available in 2 variants to choose from: 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage. The internal memory is expandable up to 1TB. It has dual SIM with dual standby option so that you can carry a single phone around instead of 2. The 6.5-inch PLS TFT LCD Infinity V-Cut HD display provides truly immersive viewing experience by maximized screen size. It's ideal for gaming, watching videos, multitasking, browsing, and more. The phone has a dual rear camera setup with 13-megapixel main camera and 2-megapixel macro mode camera. The phone also has a 5-megapixel front camera to suit your convenience. Powered by Android version 10 operating system with MediaTek quad-core processor, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Inside the box, you can find Samsung Galaxy M02 smartphone, ejection pin, manual, data cable, and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.